All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So concern, concern. Let's get a picture. Concern. Yes, concern, concern. Ooh, let's try and get like this. Ooh, concern. Yeah. Oh dear, worrying. To think. To think. To worry. Worry. Be anxious. Anxious about something. Yes. I am always concerned with my lessons. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Your English is my concern. I think about and worry. He is concerned he might be late. She is never concerned. She is quite carefree. Quite carefree. Yeah. How cool is that? They need to be more concerned. They need to be more concerned because they are leaving too many things to chance. To chance, yeah. Yeah. It is a great concern of theirs. It is a big concern of theirs. That is their concern. That is their concern. Let them worry about it. That is their concern. Let them worry about it. Let them worry about it. Yeah. How cool is that? So, don't concern yourself with this. Don't concern yourself with this book. Don't worry about it. I'll concern myself with the book. I will concern myself with reading the book. Okay. You should concern ourselves. We should concern ourselves about them. Their problem is my concern too. So I'm worried about their problem. I'm concerned for them. Yeah. I used to be concerned about it. Yeah. I used to be very concerned, but not anymore. Yeah. I have learnt to relax. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm trying not to concern myself with those. Yeah, I'm trying. Well, we need to not concern ourselves with those things. Yeah. Those are not important to us. Yeah. We don't concern ourselves with things like that. We don't concern ourselves with things like that. Nah, let them be concerned. Yeah, let them. Yeah. How cool is that? He will concern himself with the development. So, how things have changed and are growing is his concern because he is in charge. He is always concerned about the next report. So this document, what's happened, this, how much, and beyond. He's always concerned what's going to happen next. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So concern. Now, can you use concern in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.